Alright guys, here we are, wave gangers. We're this is part 12. We're gonna be doing some poly sand, and we're gonna do some pond construction. But yeah, this thing is coming to life. This is the last part of the paver process, putting the poly sand in, and then we got a lot of a lot of topsoil, sod, irrigation, plants, mulch.
But the hard part is over, guys.
And we still got the steps that got to be completed, which that should be hopefully sooner than later. But all right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna time lapse this. Let's get it done. Let's ride this wave. We out. Okie dokie, guys, as you'll see in the time lapse, we did our poly sand. We swept everything in, we blew it off, and now we had to water it in 200 square foot sections. Took us about 3.5 sections.
2 minutes apiece.
2 minutes apiece. And now we're gonna let it dry, let it harden, and then we're gonna start the pond. So stay tuned. Let's ride this wave, do a little quick walk through, show you what we got going on. This little bad boy turned out though.
All we're waiting for is our steps to get completed. Add that Antica to the back base.
And we in there.
We in there like swimwear.
She good. Almost there, home stretch. And then we just got mad finishing work to do. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, checking back in. We are starting the Aquascape spill bowl kit. We got to dig down 16 inches, 45 by 45, which is a square aqua basin. Holds 90 gallons of water, which is what's basically going to hold all of our water for us. My main manatee right here, just getting all the edges spot on, so we can just set her in there. We're going to have to tamp the bottom, add some clean stone so it's a stable base, and then we're going to keep on going. So stay tuned. Watch this transform. All right, guys, coming to an end today. Part 12 of the hardscape series. We got our pond working in the back. We got the poly sand throughout. Got some new little pots. Still waiting on the steps to get done. But check this out. Super duper windy right now. Woo-wee. Look at that. We still got some crazy landscaping we're about to do in here with boulders, some moss rock, stuff like that. But definitely accents the walkway pretty nicely. We're gonna do a little walkway light right here. And yeah, irrigation we've been trying to finagle. Check that out. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, follow this journey. We're almost at it in this project. It's been a fun one, but yeah, stay tuned. Let's ride this wave.